What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but a few changes, and here is my new bike. Just picked up. It's a '05 CRF230F. It needs a little bit of work, but nothing major. Like cable, lever, a new kill switch. Then it needs some like plastic bolts and just some little stuff. Nothing major, so I'm gonna get that all fixed up and start riding this thing. But yep, I'll probably start taking off these stickers and cleaning it up. Okay, so I got it cleaned up and I got those stickers off. I don't know, I'll have to get on these plastics pretty good and get rid of all these marks and stuff, but it'll look good. I got some other parts here for it. But yeah, I just need a air filter and, you know, those little parts here and there. But I'm gonna make this thing pretty nice. Plan is to ride it for a bit and make some videos of riding and doing all that, because I haven't rode in forever. And then, I don't know, we'll go from there. I'll probably sell it, make some money on it, then get another Civic, honestly. But yeah, it's not bad. I got the title too, so that's good. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. More videos coming soon. I do need another back tire and a new battery, so I'm gonna try to jump start this thing. I don't know if it'll go. This battery's been dead forever, for years, but we'll see how it works. All my buddies have four-wheelers and dirt bikes, so I'll try to make some videos with them.